So hey there, I am standing out in front of the Lennar Next Gen Evolution model, and this is the model that we actually live in ourselves, and we're actually considering buying another one. And some of the reasons I'll point out while we're in the home, there are slight differences. For example, our home is 2,956 square feet, and this home is 3,024 square feet. One of the differences is this porch right here. In our home, this porch is extended to about here, and the layout is different over there. That'll make more sense when we're in the house, okay? So I'm gonna walk right through the front door, right into the front door, and point out a few things. So in the standard floor plan, there is an office right here on the left. This office could also be a second bedroom in the next gen side. So right now, the way it's shown, this is the second office, right? Second office. This is an office. If this was a bedroom, this wall would be solid here and there'd be an entrance over there on that wall. It'll make sense in a couple seconds. So now I walk into the main home. The home actually has very good living area. Has a very large living room, open to the kitchen, open to a dining area over here. So even if you have a big table, this floor plan should offer plenty of space. Okay, this home is upgraded. This home has the platinum kitchen upgrade. This home has the luxury flooring package. So in the platinum kitchen upgrade, you've got some choices. You've got the shaker cabinets. You actually, I believe you have 3 different colors. You have this, like a light brown and like a more of a mocha brown. I believe you have 5 countertop options. If I recall, it's 3 quartzes and 2 granites. You'll notice this kitchen island is oversized. There's cabinets underneath. You'll notice a wine fridge over there. You'll notice a built-in microwave. You'll notice a gourmet kitchen package with big range hood. There's a decent sized pantry in here. Okay. Dishwasher, upgraded appliances, as well as hardware. Okay. I've got to learn myself if that slider is now standard. In the home we purchased, same floor plan, that was an upgrade. Okay. Something to consider if you're doing this as if it is an upgrade, is your furniture. People walk into this home and they love how open it is and how it feels like you can really bring the outside in. And then you have the issue of furniture. You end up losing a little bit of space here because you have to leave it open to access the outside. Ours is a wall with big windows on it, and it makes it a little bit better for furniture. Let's go down this hallway right here. We'll see that there's a guest bath, a shared bath, right? So it has a single sink and combined tub and shower and commode room. And then we go down here. That door right in front of us is the entrance to the 2-car garage. There is a large closet here, large, right? As well as, okay, good. I was making sure I hit record and I didn't take a photo. Here's a decent sized bedroom. There's another bedroom. So there's 2 bedrooms, a bath, closet, and garage on this side of the house. Let's walk over here now. If I walk straight, that will bring me to the laundry room, but we're not going there yet. Let's go this way. Let's take a right-hand turn. And let's go straight through to the master bedroom with an exit to the back patio. And just decent size, right? Some things to point out. These homes, Lennar, everything's included package. There's pre-wire for surround sound in the living spaces. There's pre-wire for ceiling fans and lights. We also have sprinkler systems. All the can lighting is installed. Let's go into the bathroom here. We have dual sinks, but they're separate. So on separate sides of the bathroom, we have a large walk-in shower and a monstrous walk-in closet, okay? Everybody loves this closet. Some of the other Lennar next-gen features, not next-gen, everything's included feature, are rain gutters. So all the homes have rain gutters already installed. They have those 2-inch blinds. They've got all your extra electrical sockets. Also, the home is Wi-Fi certified. That means there are Wi-Fi routers and wiring already installed. So all you have to do is come in, get it activated, and you're good to go. So we've got another closet right here. And a good sized laundry room. Okay, got uppers, got a folding table, enough room for washer and dryer. Now this is what makes this home special. This is the Evolution Next Gen model. So forget that we were already in a house, because we are in another house. Okay, this is modeled as the 1-bedroom Next Gen side. I'm going to stand over here. And if you remember when we walked in the front door, there was a room on the left. There is an option to make that room the 2nd bedroom on this side. So the Next Gen side could be a 2-bedroom with 3 bedrooms on the main house. Okay. Right now it's modeled 3 bedrooms on the main house plus a den. And then this side has 1 bedroom. And I'll show that to you in a minute. But this could be 2 bedrooms minus the den. So remove the den, turn it into a bedroom, and the other side of the floor plan would still stay 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms and 2 baths over there. So you've got an exit to the side yard. If this was unlocked, I'd love to go out there and show you that they put a patio, built-in barbecue. Has an entrance from the front. So I don't know if you saw that when we walked in, but this is back to the front of the home. So if you were living in the Next Gen side yourself, or you had family members staying there, you would come up to the front door. If you lived in the main house, you would go straight. And if you lived in the Next Gen side, you would come this way. This is what it would look like when you walk in. I want to remind you, I'm actually shooting this in 360-degree video. I'm going to try to upload this in 360-degree video. So you can scroll on the video itself and you can look in any direction you want. And you can actually change the way you're viewing it so you're not stuck with the way it shows on the screen right now. We'll walk over here. Here is the bathroom for this side of the house. You'll see it has a full shower, commode, and sink. Here is the bedroom on this side, and good sized room. You might be saying, well, where's the closet? Let me show you where the closet is right now. The closet is actually right across the hall, right here in the bathroom. So it works, it's functional. And a bonus here is the Next Gen suite has garage access, a single car garage, as well as interior laundry. So I live in this home, this Evolution model. The floor plan is slightly different, but I live in this floor plan in the community of Cadence. If you are interested in this home or any others, definitely reach out to me for multiple reasons. First of all, I know the neighborhood. I'm going to tell you the good, the bad, and the ugly. I'm going to tell you what I love about the neighborhood, and I'll tell you some things that I don't love about the neighborhood. Additionally, I know the floor plan. I know the builder. I know that buying a new home right now can be challenging. One of the reasons is they only have so many homes, and there's a lot more people that want the homes than lots. So we would have to get you on the lottery. You'll want me or my business partner here in the community, Alan Brown. You're going to want one of us to accompany you on your first visit to the builder. The reason is if we represent you in the purchase of your home, you will receive a 50% commission rebate from us. 50% is a lot of money, but we appreciate you. We appreciate the opportunity to assist you. We love the community. We love helping people learn about the community. And when it comes down to it, we even help people leave the community. So we are here. This is what we want to do. Like I said, we love the community. We're familiar with the community. We want to offer you a 50% rebate. What does that 50% rebate mean? It means that's 50% of the commission that you will probably be able to use towards closing costs and whatever else the builder and the lender allows you to use it towards. Okay? That means it's money that you do not have to come out of pocket with at close of escrow, because you've got to come up with closing costs, down payments and stuff. So it's money you do not have to come out of pocket with. So what can you do with that money? You can install ceiling fans. You can install wall-mounted TVs, plasma TVs. I know a place where you can get 86-inch ones for about $2,100. You could do interior paint. You could even do backyard landscaping. You can apply that money to anything you want after you move in, because it's money that's still in your pocket. So my name is David Dion. I am a realtor with the Valley Solutions team at HomeSmart. My business partner in the community is Alan Brown. Alan can be reached at 602-214-7242. I can be reached at 480-332-5942. We also have a website, www.cadence@gateway.info. And we also have a private Facebook group, Cadence at Gateway Real Estate Information, where the only thing we share in there is real estate information we think you would enjoy and benefit from knowing. People want to know how much homes are selling for. People want to know how much their home is worth. People want to know what the market's doing. We want to be the people that help you find out that info. So once again, Dave Dion with the Valley Solutions team at HomeSmart. Myself and Alan Brown are both full-time realtors. I think combined, we've been realtors for 33, 34, 35 years. And we both live in the community. So we hope to hear from you. We hope to help you, and hope to talk to you soon.